In primetime news this evening, Independent Commission of Investigations probing Old Harbour incident involving police and a civilian.
Church supports day of mourning but calls for tougher response to crime.
And a new initiative underway to stop discrimination against people living with HIV and AIDS. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, it's a historic day for the Jamaica Social Stock Exchange. The first IPO has launched, and I'll give the details a little later on.
And Karen Madden is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Karen.
Well, Gio, two batsmen notched centuries as the West Indies kept their World Cup hopes on track in Zimbabwe. We'll tell you all the details in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you very much, Karen. And Romaine Robinson is also here. What can we expect in the weather?
Thanks so much, Andrea. We're still looking at Tropical Storm Brett across the Atlantic. It is expected to be moving into the Caribbean over the next few hours. We do have some shower activity recorded in sections of Barbados, and we also had some flooding in our reports as well, but I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what will you be doing to show solidarity on Friday's National Day of Mourning?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these messages.